Here is a quick step-by-step guide on how to attach your micro tip to your Smart Meso system. From the main screen, press the Set icon. Now press the Replace button. Your handpiece is now ready for the attachment of your micro tip. Make sure that you locate the raised ridge into the corresponding groove at the front of the head. You will know if you have achieved this because the micro tip is secure in its position. Now push the tip, two metal tips into the front. Here you'll hear a locking sound. You'll know this is achieved because the micro tip itself will be raised 5 millimeters above the head. Now attach the tube to the syringe. Press the fourth button and using the button on the side of the handpiece, adjust until the promoter reaches the syringe plunger. Gently press until solution reaches the meso tip. Now press Save on your handpiece. Press Start and check your machine is working correctly. Your Smart Meso is now ready for treatment.